What's up, jellies? Welcome back to my channel. On this video here, we're going to be doing a review on the Amazon clip-ins. The hair company is called Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions. What I got is 18 inches and it came with 7 clips. Little disclaimer, if you want your hair really full, you should get 2 boxes, and I'm so mad that I only got 1, but I'm gonna make it work. So we're gonna do this stuff together. It's been a long time since I wore clip-ins, especially like this. This is a kinky curly kind, so we're gonna see how this looks. So right now, this is the hair in the package. It kind of shrink a little bit because it's been mushed in that little package, but we're gonna wash that and see how it all comes out. Okay, so yeah, so this is the hair. Look at them curls. Don't it mimic like your real hair? Like, this looks like your hair. Like, if you have 4C coily hair, this is it, because this is the type of hair that I have. So we're gonna see how we can make this work. We're not gonna be parting it and putting it on our scalps and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you a little quick, easy way that we can install these clip-ins and still be cute. Okay, so let's jump right into this. All right, jellies, this is the hair that just got done getting co-washed. Look at the length on there. Oh, it looks so cute. Remember how it was looking when it was in the package, all shriveled up and everything? Well, this is the hair co-washed. So it came really nice in that length on it. Oh, this is really cute. So let's get ready to install this. you guys back just a little. Okay, so come here and change my scarf. Just want to show you how cute this looks. Real. All right, you guys, this is my little final look. I did some little touches up on it when I got off camera, but basically this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just something really quick. If you don't got nothing to do with your hair for the summer, get you guys some clip-ins, honey, real quick, and learn how to do different styles and stuff with it. My name is Amberly K, and I'm out. Bye, guys.